The following question reads that element E has the following properties. It forms an alloy. So alloys are formed by metals, but there could be non-metals involved as well. But it has a basic oxide. Remember, metal oxides are the ones that are basic. So, um, so metal oxides are basic, which means that it must be element E must be a metal. Last one is below hydrogen in the reactivity series, which means that it is very unreactive, because if you remember the reactivity series, so here's the reactivity series, you will notice that hydrogen over here is very less reactive. So these elements are very less reactive. So it must be one of these elements. So coming back to the question, what is E? So we know it's a metal, it's forming alloys, and it's very unreactive somewhere over here. So it's going to be option. It's not a non-metal, so A and C are automatically removed. You have two metals, one is copper and the other one is zinc. But zinc is pretty high up in the reactivity series. It's over here, hydrogen over here. We need a metal that is less reactive. So it's going to be copper. Copper would be the correct option for this particular question.